Welcome to another exciting video by Pristine Tech School. My name is Harpreet and today we will be doing assignment operators and relational operators in C programming language. In our previous video we had done with arithmetic and increment decrement operators. So C assignment operators is used for assigning a value to a variable. The most common assignment operator is equal to. So let's discuss some operators. So these are some assignment operators: equals to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiply equals to, divide equals to, and modulus equals to. So now let's understand these assignment operators by creating one program. So let's include header files. So now let's creating some variables like int a equals to 5 and b. So if I am initializing here b equals to a and printing this statement p equals to p. So let's see the output of this program. Compile it. Successfully compiled, so run it. Okay, so I have got the value of p equals to 5. This is how, because I am declaring here the value of a equals to 5, but when I am assigning the value of a to variable b and printing the variable, it's giving me the same value as that of a. So this is how I can do assigning one value to another variable. So let's see the next operator for assignment. This is b plus equals to a print statement p equals to control string p result. So let's see the output now. So now I'm having p equals to 10. Okay, let's apply here clear screen so that I will get only current output. Okay, the value of b is now 10. So this is how I am now applying here b plus equal to a, that is plus equal to operator. This is same as the b equals to b plus a that we have done in arithmetic operators. So this is the same as the b plus equal to, and it's like we are adding the previous variable to our current variable. And the next one is b minus equals to a. So this is similar like b equals to b minus a. Print statement p equals to ampersand d slash n value of b. So now I will get the value of p. Let's see, it's 5. So how? We are having the value of b previous, that is 10. So when I am subtracting a, that is 5, from b, it's giving me the result 5. Next one is of divide. p divide equals to a. So this is also similar like B equals to B divided by A. Next is our print statement. B equals to %D slash N B. So let's see. So now I am having the value of B is 1 because previous we are having the value of B is 5, but now we are dividing 5 with 5, so it's giving me the result that is 1. After that, B modulus equals to A, so this is similar as B equals to B modulus of A. Print statement, B equals to %D slash N B. So let's see the answer. So now the remainder is 1. So this is how we can do assignment operators. So guys, I am very frequently upload videos on various technologies. I also create videos considering the interview questions in mind. If you have any particular topic on which you want me to create detailed video, let me know in the comment section below. So by moving further, another operator is relational operators. Okay, so relational operators check the relationship between two operands. If the relation is true, it returns 1. If the relation is false, it returns value 0. Relational operators are used in decision making and loops. So now we are going to do in simple program only. So in relational operators, we are going to cover equal to operator. That is different with the equal to assignment operator. That's having the different thing and this is having the different meaning. So this is used for only relation like to compare any two variables or two operands. The next relation operator is greater than and then less than, not equal to, greater than equals to, less than equals to. So these are some relation operators. So we are going to discuss these operators with program only. So now let's take variables. Say A equals to 5 and B equals to 5, C equals to 10. I am taking 3 variables with the values. Now I am printing one statement, printf equals to so D equals to %T. So now we are having the value of A and then B, and then I am applying the relation operator equal to B. Like B, A and B are both variables equal or not. So this is true because A value of A is 5 and B is 5. So result is going to be true. So let's see. Okay, so let's comment C for some further time. Now again compile it and run it. Okay, So 5 equal to 5, it's giving me the result equals to 1. That means it's true according to the definition that I have already discussed, that a relational operator check the relationship between two operands. In this case, it's checking the relationship between the A and B operands. Now here the result is true, so it's returning me the answer is 1. But if it's false, it returns me 0. So let's check in next one. Printf and %d equals to %d slash n. Now here we are having A, C. Now I am giving the relational operator between the A and C. So we know the value of A is 5 and C is 10, and we very much know that these both are not equal. So result will be 0. So you can see that if these both are not equal, we are getting the result 0. That means it's false. So now next one. Now I am using the less than sign, that one operand is less than by comparing the another operand. So we are having A variable, B variable. A is less than B. So if it is correct, then it will be displayed answer as 1. If it's incorrect, then it will be 0. So let's see what would be the result. So it's 0. So naturally we are having the value of A5 and B5. These both are equal, but I am giving the condition here that A is less than B. That is wrong. So that's why it's giving me the result false. So now if I give A, B, A is less than C. So what would be the result? So it's giving me 1 because we are having the value of C is 10. That is bigger than the A. So A is smaller than C. So after that, if I change here greater than sign, so let's see what would be the result. So it's giving me 0, 0 because the value of A is not greater than 10 and the value of A and B both are equal, not greater than. Next one is not equal to operator. So let's see. So it's giving me the result 0 because A and B are both are equal, but I am giving the condition here A is not equal to B. But if I give here A is not equal to C, then it will give me the result true, that is 1, because A and B both are not equal. Next one is greater than equals to operator. A and B let's run this. So it's giving me the answer 1, because A is greater than equal to B means, but one condition is true, that A is equal to B. So that's why it's giving me the result true. And one more, that is less than equals to doing A and C. A is less than equals to C. So what would be the result? Let's see. It's also giving me the result 1, that is true. So this is how we can do relational operators. Mostly these relational operators are used with the control flow statements like if, else, and for loop, while loop. Okay, apart from this, there are other operators which I am going to discuss in my future video, that is part 3 of operators. So please subscribe to this channel or visit pristinetechschool.com to know more about C topics. Let me know if you have any follow-up question in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching the video.